Hello. In this video, we will learn how to create football field charts in Excel.
Football field charts are very popular and commonly used in investment banking. So they are basically used to compare the different valuation values we get. For example, when we do a 52-week trading range, equity research, discounted cash flow, and comparables and precedent transactions, we arrive at different values for the company. So we got minimum values and then the maximum values for each of these valuation methods. So we can graphically present them like this, so we get an idea what kind of a variance they're having. And then for the current price, we can have a dotted line like this to show that this is where the current price is located at. So this might lead to buy or sell decisions. So let's look at how we can start building a chart like this. The first thing we need to do is, of course, we will get the minimum and the maximum values from these valuation methods. So they are listed here and here. What we need to do is have a middle column called the difference and calculate the difference between these maximum and minimum values in that column. So I had done a simple formula. From the max, I have reduced the mean and I have got the difference for each of these valuation methods. So that's the first step. Then I can just select the range like this, go to Insert tab. Then I need to go to column or bar chart over here. And then we go to 2D bar and then select the stacked bar, this one. So we get a chart like this. So let me move this around a bit. Get our new chart here. Now I will select the chart and do our initial formatting. Let's change to Arial font size 9. And then I will select the chart, right click, format chart area, remove the fill and remove the border. Now basically I don't want these minimum values and then the maximum values to be in the chart. So what I can do is I'll select first the minimum values and I will remove the fill. So I will say no fill and remove the fill, so it basically disappears from the chart. And I'll do the same for the max value, to fill and no fill. So basically now the min and the max value is not visible. I will delete the legend. I will select the bottom axis values, go to format axis, and here I will give minimum 20 and maximum 40. And measure, I will make it 5. So this looks much more neater. Now let's change the series color to dark blue. I'll move this dotted line from the earlier chart and get our chart back here. Now I need to add the data labels. So I will select the max values, which I had, or which I removed the fill color. And now I go to format data labels. Then for the label portion here, I will change it to inside base. They appear like this now. Then I select the data series from in, do a right click, add data labels. And then again, I select them and go to format data labels. And I go to inside in. So the label position, I change to inside in. So now it looks like this. Now we got the labels at the end of the two sides. So I'll remove the chart title as well. If you want, you can have a chart title. Then I need to put the dotted line for the current share price 32. So I will go to insert. So this is not coming as part of the chart. So I'm going to insert separately. And go to shapes. And let's select the line. And it's 32. So somewhere over here, I'll draw the line like this. And move it about here. Then I'll go to shape outline and go for a dotted line like this for dashes. And I will change the color to yellow. Oh, it looks too light, so I'll change the color to maybe orange. So this is how we can build a football field chart.
Thanks for watching.